Hi, in this video I will be showing you how to install a new monitor to your laptop. Specifically this ViewSonic 22-inch LED monitor which will be provided to all educators in the district. If you already have a monitor plugged into your laptop and you want to replace it with this one, please turn off the old monitor and disconnect the monitor from your laptop. We can start by unboxing the monitor. When opening the box, the first thing you should remove are the base stand and support column. Go ahead and pull out the monitor with the styrofoam out of the box. You should also find a power cord, an HDMI cable, and a manual inside the packaging. With your monitor, you should also be receiving a USB-C to HDMI cable that looks like this. It is the same as the HDMI cable that comes with the monitor. The only difference being is that one end is a USB Type-C that will be connecting to your laptop. Further in the video, we will explain how to connect both types of cables to your laptop. Begin removing the protective styrofoam around the monitor, then set the monitor front side down on a flat surface with the protective bag still on. Now go ahead and unbag the support column. It should come with the cable organizer bracket, and unbag the base stand as well. On the monitor, you will locate the stand mounting bracket. Then you will grab the support column and insert it into the mounting bracket with the slim side facing downwards. The slim side of the support column has to face the same direction of the monitor. When you insert the support column, make sure you push hard. When inserted correctly, you should not be able to pull it out. Grab your base stand and locate the front side, which is the longer edge on the stand. Face the base stand in the same direction as the monitor, front side facing down, and push inwards. You should hear a clicking sound when inserted correctly. You can now lift your monitor upright. Grab the cable bracket. Behind the monitor, there should be a hole on the support column. This is where you will insert the cable bracket, and it is used to manage and organize your monitor cords. You can now remove the protective bag from your monitor and remove all protective adhesive that surrounds the monitor. The next process is to plug in your monitor. Please grab the power cord that was included in the box and locate the AC electrical port in the monitor. It should be in the bottom left if you are facing the back of the monitor. Go ahead and plug in the cable and make sure it's inserted all the way in. Now you will grab the HDMI cable and plug it in into the monitor as well. If you are using the USB-C to HDMI cable, you will connect the HDMI end of the cable to the monitor. The HDMI port in the LED monitor is located on the right side facing the back of the monitor, and to the left of the blue VGA port, as you can see here. This monitor does have audio output, so in case you want to plug in your own speakers, you can do so by inserting your audio jack into the green audio port. The monitor does come with internal speakers and should work with your HDMI connection. Go ahead and organize your cabling and plug in the monitor into an electrical outlet. This monitor has 5 physical controls. They are buttons 1, 2, 3, 4, and the power button. They are used to control the contrast, brightness, and color of the LED screen, as well as other functionalities. We recommend you leave these at their default settings. You can now push the power button on the right bottom side, and a blue light should illuminate on the bottom of the monitor when it turns on. If the monitor is not turning on, please verify that you inserted the power cord all the way into the monitor. If you have verified all connections and it still happens, please contact Helpdesk. Now we will connect our monitor to the laptop. Please grab the HDMI cable that connects to the monitor and plug it into the HDMI port in your laptop. If you are using the USB-C to HDMI cable, you will be connecting the USB-C end of the cable to your laptop, as you can see here. As soon as you connect the cable to your laptop, your monitor should start displaying your computer's desktop, like you see here. I will now show you how to set up your monitor in your laptop so it can behave how you want it to. When you plug in an external monitor to your laptop for the first time, it should replicate anything you are doing on your laptop. To change this, you will first have to right-click on your desktop, then click on Display Settings, scroll down to Multiple Displays, and click on the drop-down menu and select Extend these displays. A warning message will come up. Please click on Keep Change. Your monitor should now be acting as a second screen and not duplicating what you do, but it might not be in the correct location in Windows. To fix this, scroll up in the same settings page. You should see two displays now. If you click on Identify, a number should come up onto your displays, correlating to the number shown in the settings page. You can use this area to arrange your displays in the correct way they are set up on your physical area. You can do this by clicking on the display you want to move in the settings page and drag it to place it wherever your monitor is actually placed around your laptop, as you can see in this video. When you finish placing the monitor in the settings page to the correct location, go ahead and click on Apply. If you scroll down, you can also change the scaling and resolution of the displays. Make sure you select the display you want to modify first, then change the scale or resolution of the displays. Like we mentioned in the video, the monitor does have internal speakers. To make use of them, once your monitor is connected to your computer, please go to the speaker icon on your bottom right corner and left click on it. Then click on the up arrow and make sure you select the model of the monitor, which should be BA2246. Once it's selected, you should be able to hear sound from the monitor speakers. Please keep in mind the speakers in the monitor will not work if you are using a VGA cable connection. If you're having issues or difficulties in any steps mentioned in this video, or are having any problems, please contact Helpdesk for further assistance. Thank you.